Hi, in this video I'm going to unbox the repair heat plate CPB. The model number is CP320 to repair your iPad, iPhone or Samsung Galaxy phone or any other mobile devices. So here's the box inside, and we're just going to drag it out. So it's quite hard. So it won't come out, as you can see, it's quite that easily. So let's try to cut on this end as well, because the pad is quite soft. Don't want to break it. Let's see if I can pull out from this side. It's easier to pull out from the side that has the machine in it. So I'm just going to pull it right out. And there is something in here as well that you need to drag it out with the cable. So there's electrical cables in here that you need to pull out. This is the plug. It's the power plug. And let's have a look at the pad. I'm just going to turn it around. So there's the pad right here. So this is quite sticky. It's a wrap. This is the pad right here. You can see it's quite soft and flexible. And there's an instruction sheet that show you how you can set up and use this machine. So here it is. So if you need to get access to this sheet, this is what you have to do. Just pause on the video on the section that you'll need to read. And so you plug the power cord into here. And this will allow you to basically place an iPad or a mobile phone on top of this. Seems like to have a little bit of damage right here. It's not perfect. So we can just plug this one in. And we're going to plug this one into a power source. Okay, so we can press on the power button to power it on. You can change the language by using the controller here. You can change mode. So you got tablet mode. You can change it to mobile mode. You can also change the temperature. So if I just keep pressing on the different mode, we can go it will recycle to mobile phone mode, or it will recycle to tablet mode. And the temperature, and you can just I can feel the heat already. So just place your phone on that, and it will basically heat up the device and allow your screen adhesive to soften. And so this is what it looks like. And yeah, that is everything inside the box, just the cable and the pad itself. And you can switch it on and off. You also have a timer. There's also a timer here that you can place your phone on a timer. I can feel the heat coming off from the pad right here already. So it's quite hot. And yeah, that's it. So that is everything. You can just tap on the power to turn on or off, basically. And you can just pick up the phone. It's warm, but it's not very hot. So it's the temperature. You can set a temperature which is just correct for your mobile phone, or which is just perfect for your iPad, which help you easily remove the screen. Thank you for watching.